Good morning, traders. See progress on GJ so far. All right, the priority is what is being maintained. What is the current flow? It's still bullish because we're still maintaining higher lows. This is our last higher low, in my opinion. All right, so I have this little blue line kind of just, marking off that support level. So we had higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. So today I'll just be looking for buys again. The take profit is the same, bruh. Look at how much news we have tomorrow for GJ. Now this is the type of day tomorrow where you're gonna have a really nasty big push. You're gonna want to be in that trade. Wonder what it could be. Because honestly, it could be a doop doop type situation, but we don't know. Again, don't want to assume that until we actually have had a violation of higher lows. And for gold, it was nice. So I actually exited my buys all the way up here. So higher lows being maintained, higher lows being maintained, higher lows being maintained. Then we have this level, and then after that, I was like, let me exit because I don't know how far it's gonna go, and I'm not really interested in keeping this drawdown when I could just re-enter. So I ended up re-entering here based off the wicks, but then that just got stopped out. But my bias hasn't changed though. My bias is still the exact same because we have these higher lows formed. I do expect some sort of transition around here. Transition in a way it shouldn't go bearish, but if it does, honestly, it could dip back into this zone and there's hella liquidity and it probably will just close back in the range either way, causing this level to be tested, but we don't know that yet. So the main thing I would be looking for in order to enter some gold buys would be a break of resistance. So I was gonna say, if again with this point A, point B, because let's face it, we did break a lot of supports, but they weren't structural supports. If this broke here, then it'd be like, yeah, I'm totally in for sells. It's funny how we did have this perfect little rejection right at the 38.2, but it's also in response to this daily level right here. As you can see, found some liquidity, and when we came up to here, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna exit my buys, just for safety reasons. I'm trying to see where, yeah, I don't know, honestly, either price can break something like this. Ideally 2 bullish candles or on the 30 or 15 minute is what you're gonna want to see in a time of volatility. So I usually like to trade it around 8. Let's see what this time was. Yeah, I think just put price action first, But yeah, a break of resistance would be nice. It's really the only thing I'm looking for gold. Let's see. Now for GU. So GU has officially broken from out of the bearish structure. So we had a structure break within a minor fib, but then we have this is breaking as we speak, and this was the last point A to point B, and now that this is the 100% breaking, it's yo, this is something you really want to pay attention to. You see how it looks on the daily chart too, how we have had the lower highs are being maintained on the daily, the lower highs are being maintained on the daily, and see how it's just kind of creeping above it right now. Yeah, that's something to look out for. I think GU is going to go bullish. UCAD is still maintaining lower highs here, lower highs here, lower highs here, expecting the same. I've been hearing a lot of arguments about AU. Yeah, it's looking pretty bearish. I mean, yeah, it's looking pretty bearish, but the flow in this point in time is not bearish. So you're not going to want to be too quick to take. I mean, honestly, you want to be too quick to take either buys or sells, just because it's like you have so much momentum with these. I can't even put, this is not a lower low, so I can't even put like a fib on here. I'll say the proper fib would be point A, point B. It could probably come up here, and then continue bearish down to this negative 27%. But yeah, have a great trading day today. Do not blow your account. Save that for March.